Guys, welcome to the vlog. Welcome back to another awesome video. Another NIF is just about to arrive into platform 1. This train will go to Central, do some testing, come back to Epping, terminate, go back to Central, terminate, then up to Newcastle Interchange, terminate, back down to Gosford, terminate, and finally back into Kangy, Angy. So let's see what set it will be. This one. Here it comes. This is the next NIF. And the set is, well, leading D4 leading. Yeah, it's not going to stop because it's running a bit late, and they will come back to Epping later, so yeah.